Ever wondered how those sleek, minimalist investment apps got their start? You know, the ones that promise to democratize finance and make investing as easy as ordering takeout? Well, today we're diving deep into the history of one such company, Wealthsimple. But before we get to the juicy details, let's play a little game. Imagine you're back in the early days of online investing. You're a young professional, eager to grow your money, but overwhelmed by the jargon and complexity of traditional brokerage firms. You stumble upon a new platform, promising to simplify investing with automated portfolios and human advice. Intrigued? You sign up, only to discover that the company has a rather unique name. What could it possibly be? Stick around, because we're about to uncover the surprising origins of Wealthsimple and the story behind its rebranding. Now, let's rewind the clock. Wealthsimple, as we know it today, wasn't always the sleek, user-friendly platform it is now. In fact, it emerged from a different company with a very different name, Cube Wealth. Yes, you heard that right. Cube Wealth. Not the most inspiring or memorable name, is it? But it makes sense considering the company's initial focus. Cube Wealth was founded in 2014 by Michael Katchen, a young entrepreneur who saw a gap in the market for accessible and affordable investment advice. At the time, investing was largely the domain of the wealthy. High minimum investment requirements, complex fees, and intimidating jargon kept many people on the sidelines. Katchen envisioned a platform that could break down these barriers, making investing accessible to everyone, regardless of their income or investment experience. The Cube in Cube Wealth represented the company's core philosophy to provide a simple, transparent, and cubed investment experience. They aimed to simplify complex investment strategies into easily understandable cubes of risk and return. While this concept was innovative, the name Cube Wealth left much to be desired. It lacked the elegance and memorability that a successful brand needs. It didn't exactly evoke feelings of wealth, sophistication, or trust. In fact, some might even argue it sounded a bit bland. Recognizing the limitations of their original name, the Cube Wealth team embarked on a rebranding journey. They sought a name that would better reflect their values and resonate with their target audience. The result? Wealthsimple. The new name was a stroke of genius. It was short, catchy, and instantly memorable. It conveyed a sense of simplicity, ease, and, most importantly, wealth creation. Wealthsimple perfectly encapsulated the company's mission, to make it simple for everyone to build wealth. The rebranding proved to be a resounding success. Wealthsimple quickly gained traction, attracting a large and loyal customer base. The company expanded its product offerings beyond simple investing, introducing services like tax loss harvesting, retirement planning, and even cryptocurrency trading. Today, Wealthsimple is one of the most recognized and respected names in the fintech industry. Its sleek design, user-friendly interface, and innovative features have revolutionized the way people invest. But the story of Wealthsimple's rebranding goes beyond just a name change. It serves as a powerful reminder of the importance of strong branding in the modern business world. A good brand is more than just a logo or a slogan. It's a reflection of a company's values, its mission, and its unique selling proposition. It's a promise to customers about the experience they can expect. In the case of Wealthsimple, the rebranding was a crucial step in establishing the company's identity and building trust with its target audience. It helped them stand out in a crowded market and attract a loyal following. So, there you have it. The old name of Wealthsimple was Cube Wealth. A simple name change, but a powerful transformation that helped propel the company to become a leader in the fintech industry. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.